ban nang pen klan balam ai ke Jaiñtia kri haka imlang ke salang om tang Rilum Khasi bat Jaiñtia ka new trap achik national movement ne ke HANM sengkemi kala Pynkha ye ke snat Trei sa Rilum Garo da ka bathau ye ke HANM Garo Hill region ka seng HANM ka balayalam do president rangba uba lamprang kharbani kala yo ban peniar ye ka Tnad Trei Rilum Garo haka sngi sa jai ka khasan trik juliu ar jar pusau kabalalong hanong ba tura hakbau president ula pentian semai pat penskem pura ikinongkit kam ke HANM Rilum Garo nadu u president vice president general secretary nolor kiwe ginongkit kam bat ki dikhat hakane ke sngi penskem ye ke HANM Garo Hill region kiwe ginonyalam ke HANM sengkmi ki bladon lang ki kintop yu general secretary assistant secretary in charge HANM Garo Hill region kinongkit kam nekiwe de ki district
Kognal Samba, Vice President Perio Daikus G. Samba, General Secretary Abong Anthony K. Marat, Joint Secretary Elibert M. Marat, Sports Secretary Rakam E. Samba, Finance Secretary Anish Walter K. Samba, Office Secretary Salkam A. Sangma, Socio-Cultural Secretary Abe A. Sangma, then Salbi M. Marat, Salbi M. Sangma, Organizing Secretary Sang Jang T. Sangma, and Rural Development Secretary Lerich Gregory A. Sangma.
As the elected members of the organization, we vow and promise from today that we will work hard and possess humility and in the fear of God to serve with honesty, integrity, and righteously to the people of the state through HANM. In this manner, we shall be able to serve to the best of our abilities in solving the problem adversely affected the economic life of the people. And it is for the people of Garo Hill and the state of Meghalaya as we told. Before administering the oath of office belong to the newly member HANM Garo Hill, as the president, I would like to mention the aims and objectives of the HANM for serving the people of Meghalaya. Firstly, HANM stood for protecting the land of the indigenous people, that is for protecting the land of the indigenous people of Meghalaya, which includes for the Jaiñtia as well as the Aceh, as well as the Aceh, from encroachment from the state of Assam and the country like Bangladesh. Secondly, HANM is stood for uniting the people of Meghalaya, which include the Khasi, Jaiñtia, and Garo, thirdly, to protect the culture of the indigenous people of the HANM and the Aceh as it was inherited from our forefathers, and finally to adhere the needs of development in the state of Meghalaya, like roads, transportation, proper electricity, and water supply, etc. Now, I would like to call upon the chairman to spell out the name of the new office HANM Garo.
That you should not ask what your politicians should do for you, what your ministers should do for you, what your government should do for you. But you should always think what I should do for the benefit of my own people. Because we, from the Khasi side, we have been working very, very hard to uplift the people of HANM. The motto of HANM says, awake and arise for the upliftment of the people of Meghalaya. The people of Meghalaya does not consist only of Khasis, it also consists of Garos. So it is very important for you to awake and arise and work for your own people. Being the HANM, that doesn't mean that you'll have to stay down here and we will work for you there from Shillong. No, it is your duty here now to see what is going on here in Trei, what is going on around the villages and towns in Garo. I have been to Trei. This is the second time that I have been to Trei, and I have seen there are so many development that needs to be done in the state, in your district. But this development, I don't think so, that the state government has not showered any development scheme in Garo. As far as the information that we have, there are lots and lots and lots of money that have been poured out into Garo for its own development.
Ensuring that our youngsters shall never cause struggle and bring you a bad decision for HANM. Instead, do the opposite. We shall never fall under any wrong influence, for we will stand together and improvise and enforce the weak. Together as a whole, we will strive towards excellence and fight for our land, because this land isn't called Garo Hills without any reason. Because when we lose this land, what do you think we're going to become? Obviously, refugees. We may not be able to witness all this, but our future generations will. Your children, your grandchildren, and their generation. So kindly take this seriously and prepare yourselves for the upcoming fight. You have to win. And we never lose, because who are we? Who are we? March forward!